Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start on dry skin. This matters because many SPF formulas bind with water. Apply a dime-sized amount of oil-based cleanser or 1/2 teaspoon natural oil directly to the face. Rub gently in circular motions for 30–60 seconds. Focus on forehead, nose, cheeks, and hairline where sunscreen pools. The oil dissolves zinc, titanium, and chemical filters. The mechanical action lifts residues. Once the surface feels slick and emulsified, get ready for the rinse and follow up. Once the oil has broken down the SPF, add a few drops of warm water to emulsify. It should turn milky, signaling sunscreen dissolution. Make sure to cover all areas, including under the chin and around ears. Rinse that emulsified mixture thoroughly with lukewarm water. Then, use a gentle foaming or gel cleanser for a second cleanse to remove remaining traces and oil residue. This double cleanse prevents pore clogging. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel and inspect for any remaining streaks. After cleansing, restore skin barrier. Apply a hydrating toner or serum, then a light moisturizer. If you're stepping outdoors, reapply SPF now. You removed old product, so protection is gone. If you still feel oily streaks or visible SPF, reapply the oil cleanse briefly or use micellar water on a cotton pad to spot clean. If you experience burning, redness, or swelling, stop all active products, use a cool compress, and consult a clinician if symptoms persist or worsen.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.